Hi, let's talk about Chennai's best financial analytics course. But before moving ahead, let's first understand what exactly is financial analytics. To make it simple, I have already added the link to learn about financial analytics in the description box. Make sure you check it out. Financial analytics is done by a financial analyst, a professional who analyzes financial data, market trends, company performance, and economic conditions to help business and investors make smart financial decisions. They work on analyzing financial statements, budgeting and forecasting, financial modeling in Excel, investment analysis, risk assessment, market research, and valuation. In simple words, a financial analyst helps companies understand where they are financially and where they should invest or improve. Now, let me assure you the demand for financial analysts is really high, not only in India but also in the global market. With business growing and investment increasing, company needs skills analysts to manage and plan finance strategy. Now, if you are serious about learning financial analytics, I have added the link to the best financial analyst course available in your city in the description. Do check it out. I hope you found this video valuable. Do like, comment and share. And if you have any doubts, drop them in the comments. I will surely clear them.